Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to do another shop update, project update video. Um, as you can see, I have the Speedster back, so I'm getting ready to start working on that. But we'll kind of quickly go through the state of all the projects that I currently have here at the shop. So, of course, yeah, we got the Speedster. I'm getting ready. I'm going to finish this car up so that I can list it for sale. I've got a few things left to do. I've got some stuff here that I'm going to be installing soon, maybe today. So I've got a new steering wheel. I've got a stock style shifter to put on it. I've got a replacement throttle pedal. That one's kind of messed up. And then I don't know if you've seen the very first video of this car, but it shows that there's kind of an issue with the top. One of these bars is no longer attached to the top, so I need to sew that back on. And then I have some stuff to do on the engine. It still needs to be tuned, and the brakes need to be bled again. But it's getting close. There's just a little bit of stuff to do on that. On the FJ, on the Land Cruiser, like I said in a previous video, the next project is going to be to rebuild these knuckles. This is the parts to do that. So these are all the seals and gaskets and bearings and everything. So I have the parts for that now. I'll hopefully get to that soon. I think probably within the next week or so. And then of course we have the new project, which is the Honda. These are some new tires for it. Those are the engine parts. There's a video that just came out where I pull the engine out of the car and tear it down. You can see there's the head. Here's the engine block. You can see the engine block is actually smaller than just the transmission and the transfer case for the Land Cruiser. I mean, it's insanely small. And these pistons are just unbelievably small. I mean, even by motorcycle standards, these things are really small. I think it's actually going to clean up okay, though. The next step on this is to split the case, loosen the crank, and then try to gently tap these pistons out, hopefully. And then I'll probably have to bore these. I'll probably have to hone these out or bore them out to, like, one or two sizes over, and then order new pistons and rings. But other than that, I think it's going to be okay. Everything else looks pretty good as I was taking it apart. So okay, that's what's going on in here. Out here, you can see I've got the Honda outside now next to the Bushmaster. Probably cleaning everything up, pressure washing this and getting it all cleaned up while I'm working on the engine. I'll pull the wheels off soon and have them sandblasted, and then I can paint them and put the new tires on them. But this car, I don't plan on painting this car. I may try to get bumpers for it if I can, and I'll try to beat out some of the little dents and things, and then I'll get maybe some touch-up paint, but I'm definitely not going to paint the whole car. Somebody did, it's all original paint, except this little section here and here has been repainted, and it doesn't match very well. So I'll try to remove all of that paint, probably with some acetone or something. I'll try to get that off as best I can. I'll try to take out these dents as best I can, and then maybe touch them up, or at least put some kind of protective coating on the rust so it stops rusting. And then I'll do some patches. I need to patch the floor in the trunk, and on the passenger floorboard I'll patch that stuff. So I'll stop the rust, but I'm not going to redo this completely. I'm not going to repaint it for sure. I like the way that it looks, so I'm just going to go through it mechanically. Repaint the wheels, new tires, make it look nice, and then just drive it and enjoy it. So the Bushmaster came out really nice. I'm loving the way that this thing looks. I put the wheels on it from the Land Cruiser for now. I am still looking. I have a set of wheels in mind that I might be able to get for it, and then I actually don't think these tires would work. I don't think there'd be enough clearance here. These are 31 1050s. I think I'm gonna have to go 39 50s on the rims that I actually keep on this truck, because even though it looks like there's enough clearance now, keep in mind there's still no engine in this truck. So once I put the engine in, it's going to set much lower in the front, and I think that'd be rubbing. I think I'd have to do a lift kit, and I'm not sure I want to get into that. But anyways, this thing is really looking great. It buffed out really nice. The original paint looks great. I just still got to find an engine for it. Hopefully I'll be able to find one soon. And then the Corvair is not here now, but I did do a driving video with it recently, so that'll be up probably before this update video. And then the Beetle is outside. It's going to be out there for a little while. As you can see, I've got all the seats and stuff stored under here. I will be recovering those soon, but right now, the first thing I want to do is figure out what's wrong with this Honda engine so that I can order the parts, because it may take a while to get those. So I've got to get that torn down quickly, order the parts, get going on that. And then the Speedster, I want to list it for sale soon. I don't have space to store all these things, and I need the money for the other projects. So kind of the two things I'm going to focus on right now is the Honda and the Speedster, and then from there I'll go back to the Land Cruiser. Hopefully by next week I'll be back on the Land Cruiser. If not, then the following week, I think for sure. But okay, anyways, that's it for this update video. Thank you guys for watching and for all the comments. I really appreciate it. And everyone that subscribed, I really appreciate it. It's amazing. It's hard to believe how many people have already subscribed to the channel. And hopefully it's going to keep growing. So thank you very much, and until next time, bye guys.